Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be looking at 20 most commonly used Cisco device configuration commands. So we're going to be using this router for this illustration. So click on the router, go to your command line, okay? Let's accept this, no. Now the first command is enable. So the enable is used to enter the privilege exec mode. In this mode, you can only do few configuration. The 19th command is the configure terminal. So the configure terminal is used to enter the global configuration mode. So configure terminal. This mode enables us to do more configuration on Cisco devices. So the next command is hostname. Now hostname is used to change the name of your router. Okay, so here we have hostname, let's say router 1, or let's say Nikitis. So the hostname have changed from router to Nikitis. The next command is the show running config. On the global configuration mode, we cannot run the show running config. If we must run it on this global configuration mode, we are going to add the command do. But the safer place to run your show running config is on the privilege exec mode. Now for us to go back to the privilege exec mode, we are going to issue the next command, which is exit. So with exit, we have come back to the privilege exec mode. Now here we can run our show command. So show running config. Now if you click on enter, we're going to see all the configuration we have run on this device. So here you can see the host name. So you can see, okay, this is spanning tree. This is the interfaces. We have not done any configuration on the interface. If you click on your space bar, you'll be seeing other configuration which we have not done. So if we have done all this configuration, we use this show running config to see all the whole configuration. Now the next command is the copy running config startup config. This command is used to save your configuration. So as you click on enter, all your configurations will be saved to the startup configuration. Now the next command is used to access an interface on your device. For us to apply this command, we need to go back to the global configuration mode. So remember, configure terminal. So from the global configuration mode, we are going to input interface. So let's see the interface we have on our router. So close this. Let me do a connection here just for simple illustration. But if you hover on the router also, you're going to see the interface somewhere here, okay? So but let me just connect this router to this switch. So after the connection, hover your mouse on this red flag here. So you're going to see the interface name. So here is G0/0/0/0. Okay, so come back to your router, enter the interface G0/0/0. Okay, enter. So now we are on this global interface, which is G0/0/0/0. So we can do any configuration we want to do on this interface, like assigning IP address and so many others. So the next command is the command we use to issue IP address to an interface on our device. So here we are already on this interface G0/0/0. Okay, so this command is IP address the IP address you want to give. We can say 172.20.10.12. okay, the subnet mask 255.255.0.0. okay, so this is a class V IP address. Enter. Okay, sorry, we made a mistake here. Here's supposed to be IP, not in. Okay, so this is IP. All right, so we have assigned IP address to that interface. So the next command is no shot. Now we use no shot to enable an interface on our device. Okay, now if you watch this router here, you watch that this flag here is showing red. That means this interface is not up. All right, so for us to bring up this interface, we're going to use the no shutdown command. So you must be on that particular interface to use this command. So here, no shutdown. All right, so enter. Now if you watch, automatically here turns green. So that means this interface is up now. All right, so packets can be sent from this interface to the next device connected to it. Now the next command is description. We use description to set description on our devices. Now this is an example. So if I come to this interface, I can say description. So here I can write in capital letter interface connected to our switch. Okay, so I'm just saying that this interface is interface that is connected to this switch. So it's just a command you use to give a description to an interface or a device on the network. All right, so once you click on enter, it will initialize. So the next command is enable password. We use this enable password to set a security password to our device. Enable password, so we can say Cisco. Okay, so the next command is console password. So we use this console password to set security password to the console interface of our device. Now from the global configuration mode, line console 0, enter password, so we can say Cisco. Okay, then we use login to initiate it. So that's all. The next command is the VTY password. Now we use this VTY password to set the telnet and SSH password. So from this interface, we're going to go back to the global configuration interface. So use the command exit. Okay, so line VTY 0 space 4 password. Let's use Cisco again. Let's not complicate the password. So Cisco. All right, enter. Also, we use login to initiate the password. So the next command is IP domain name. Now we use this to enable SSH on our device. So from the global configuration mode, let's go back to the global configuration mode. Exit. So from this mode, IP domain name so we can give it the domain name. Let's say cisco.com. Enter. All right, so crypto key generate RSA 500. Okay, 500 is okay. So we have from this range from 360 to 2048. So 500 is okay. Enter. So the next will be IP SSH. All right, version 2. We're done. So the next command is show IP interface brief. Now we use this command to display the interface status. Now show. Remember, if we want to use the show command on the global configuration mode, we need to add this command do before the rest command. Okay, so do show interface, do show IP interface brief. So enter. All right, so from here we can see the interfaces that we have and other configuration we have done on it. So we have only assigned IP address to this interface. Remember, we did it initial in this video. All right, and remember the status was administratively down, but we brought it up using the no shutdown command. So the next command is the ping command. Now we use ping command to test for connectivity. Okay, so it is ping, then the destination IP address. All right, so but we don't have a destination here. Assuming we have a device, maybe a laptop or something, we can ping that IP address. Okay, but we don't have it here. Or okay, let's try something. Okay, let's add this laptop here. All right, so let's connect. the laptop to the switch. Okay, let's give it an IP address on this range. So here we have 172.20.10.12. So we can give the laptop 172.20.10, maybe .11. Okay, so subnet mask 255.255.0.0. the gateway. Now the gateway will be the IP address of this interface, which is 172.20.10.12. all right, so that's all. Now let's implement the ping command. So we're going to be pinging this IP address 10.11. so from here, ping 172.20.10.11. okay, so we're supposed to do this ping on the privilege mode, not here. So it's going to be remember, exit. All right, so ping 172.20.10.11. now if you watch, we are getting a reply. Okay, so this is success rate is 80%. so percentage 4/5. if we reping again, we're supposed to have 5/5. okay, now the next command is show IP route. Now the show IP route command is used to display the routing table. So show IP route. Okay, so this is the routing table of this router. Now the next command is trace route. The trace route command is used to trace the route to the destination. Let's still use our laptop IP address. Okay, so trace route 172.20.10.11. okay, so here it just displayed few results. So assuming you have multiple routers before this destination, it's going to display all the whole IP address of the next hub of those routers before the destination. So the last command for this video is write. Now write is another command that is being used to save your configuration. So RITE, enter. So our configuration is being saved. Thank you guys, that will be all for this video. I believe you learned a lot from this video. I would really appreciate if you can drop your own command on the comment section below. And if you learned anything from this video, please give this video a like. And also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscription button and don't forget to turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.